Big block Chevrolet cast iron cylinder heads. We do a fair amount of work with the big blocks, have for quite a while. Of course, there is the oval port and the square port heads. This is a set of square port heads that we're doing for a truck pull application. And we do our SST porting to it, which is basically porting the entire cylinder head. We match the intake side to whatever gasket or whatever intake manifold you're running. Do the chambers, the valve job, the bowls, and the short turn radiuses on the exhaust. Valve guides on these, we recommend that you get away from the 3/8 and at least put 11/32 in there. That's very simply done with a liner. And as far as other prep work to them, we can surface them, assemble them. We have a couple of blocks here, a tall block and a standard block, where you can fit your intake manifold. And that seems to be kind of a critical area with some of the truck pull, mud pull type applications. So we can handle that for you also. With the big block Chevrolet heads, we only work with the factory ones. We only work on your cylinder heads. So we don't supply either the oval port or the square port caskets. When we do get the heads in here, of course, we do magnaflux and pressure test them, make sure they're in perfect condition before we do the guide work and the valve job and that prep, and then of course, proceed to whatever type of level of porting you want. And of course, we can assemble them with all the parts also. Aftermarket heads, lots of choices out there. You've got Dart heads. They make a couple of different ones. World Products has their Merlin style, and Engine Quest does a nice job with their big block cylinder heads. And we can also modify those in whatever level of modification you want. With the new heads, we can supply them, or you can send heads to us. So if you're one of those rat motor guys and you want to get a big block Chevrolet top-end kit going, give us a call.